So, before we get started, let me show you what this house looks like on Google Maps, because it's absolutely ridiculous. Here's what we're working with. As you can see, this place has a few trees, but we bought it for like $21K, so I can't complain, and we're gonna turn it into a beautiful home. Now, let's put some boots on the ground and see how bad the exterior of this house really is. All right, guys, new house. This one we picked up on auction, and yeah, let's take a look. This house mainly has a lot of yard work. The interior's basically gutted, so that saves us some work there, but the yard more than makes up for it. So, as you can see, this actually is a gravel driveway. Very hard to see. We dug into it a little, but there is gravel down there. So we'll probably kind of keep that because turning it into asphalt is expensive. We have to cut all this down. I mean, these are a lot of thorn bushes. We'll have to pick up a special tool to take it down. I mean, the whole yard in general, we're gonna kick it up and turn it around with a bobcat. It needs new grass seed. It needs taken care of. All these trees, there's way too many of them. The roof was in good shape, but now, because of these trees kind of hanging over it and stuff falling onto it, it's kind of destroyed the roof. So the roof needs replaced and these trees need taken care of. We do have a shed in here. Definitely had somebody living in the shed. So, you know, you have a home there, and then if you come over here, we'll open it up, show you guys. So we put some bags, but over here, you have some rags over there. Somebody had some charcoal over here. This door doesn't want to stay open, so, you know, kind of got a little setup for somebody. They've got little bins and some water over there. So yeah, at some point somebody was living here, as you can see. Oh, they've got some here. Summer of 2010. Everything did well. Over 350 pounds. Something. Rose. Yeah. Summer 2011. Did well. Same thing. Summer 2012. 2013. Summer 2013. Pumpkins. Interesting. I didn't see this before. All right, but yeah, they've got a whole history of what they did in here. So, all right. So with this roof, as you can see, we've put up some tarp. I'll show you guys once we get up there the pictures pre the tarp. We needed some of the rafters to dry up, so when we put down that new roof, we do get a good nailing surface to it. So we put the tarp up. Hopefully it's dry by now. Our plan here is to kind of have two levels with the yard. One level would be coming up here and having a parking area here. We do want to remove this tree, but the stump is really big, as you can see. So we're hoping to cut this tree down, and maybe this house is going to be like a rustic farmhouse type of look, and we wanted to make this a table because we thought that'd be kind of cool to turn a natural tree into a table for everybody. And if we kind of cut it right around here, we think we can pull it off. So, and that would give it a great outdoor living vibe. That's kind of what we're seeing and wanting here. So now that we have one level going on over there, we're gonna have our second level over here. And ideally, we'd like to have some sort of patio or something over here. So patio, or maybe even brick pavers. Brick pavers are much easier to work with. This being the way it is, where it's already flat, kind of makes sense. One other thing I wanted to show you guys was the siding. We got really lucky with the siding because it is newer siding and it's actually really nice siding. So as you can see, throughout the house, the siding is everywhere. We've got siding over there. If you take a look. Over here, perfectly good, needs power washed. It's okay. The front of the house, same thing. So over here on this side is the only issue. As you can see, it's missing siding on that top rung. But when we actually took a closer look, if you see there's siding here on the floor here, and we're hoping it fits, and that would cover that gap. And so we kind of got lucky on that, or we think we do. We are getting lucky. So yeah, hopefully that'll do. Now let's go up on the roof. Oh man.
So it is at this point that we went up on the roof and we found out it was way too icy to be there safely. So instead, I'm just going to show you guys pictures of the holes that were in the roof. I hope you guys did like the video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to support the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.